Regulators!
Danny boy.
What up, boys?
What we got going on today, buddy?
Kind of a different video today. This is a huge video in terms of life.atv. This is our first, time working with a company. We were hit up by a company called Kemimoto. They saw we had a RZR and they said, you need some side mirrors. So they sent us out some side mirrors to try out. So that's what we got right here. As you can see, it's a nice box. And yeah, we're gonna throw them on.
Let's open the puppy up.
All right, old man's gonna do the honors.
I don't.
Oh, look at
What do they look like?
Jeez, they got the suckers in there like crazy. Pull her up. Pull her up. She wrapped.
that. They made sure they were wrapped.
There.
Ooh, wow, they're really nice.
Right. I like that. So it looks like it just goes right to the roll cage, right?
The top one
We'll
of
pivot.
higher,
So you can turn them in this way.
Foldable, nice foldable mirrors.
Nice foldable mirrors. Nice mirrors.
And we're gonna have to kind of fight with it, guys, because we have actually a full windshield on this. So
We might get back to you.
if you have a half windshield or anything like this will be a super easy install. But for us, it's gonna be a little challenging. So we'll probably get back to you once we figure out a game plan. What do you think about those bad boys, Eric?
They're freaking nice.
Not bad for being free, huh?
Real nice.
Hard to beat free.
So explain what you're doing, guys. You're just putting it right on the roll cage right there.
Yep, mounts right to the roll cage.
And it's pivoting, so no matter what we put it on, we can adjust it to our liking, right, old man?
Right.
Pretty simple stuff.
Nice and easy to attach. Nice mirrors. Very nice mirrors.
Look good. They went on real easy.
Show them how it moves, man. So it's pivoting,
Just
so
up and down.
it's nice. You can fold them in if you're going through some tight stuff. Heck yeah, that looks nice. I guess, here's this side, guys. I really like these because they're small and they really don't stand out a whole lot. And we do a lot of road driving here in Minnesota.
Plus, with our trails,
It's very good for the front.
So there's a view from this way, guys. See,
They look even.
yeah, they don't stand out at all. And when we're going on tight trails, just fold them in.
Yeah, it's just nice. Because our trails are pretty narrow for a side-by-side, so the fold-in thing is huge for us.
Do a lot of road driving here too, so this will help. But the next thing is, we gotta test out and make sure that these will actually survive on the trail and survive on the road. Guys, we're gonna go for a ride and make sure these are gonna stay on, that we tighten them tight enough, and yeah, we'll just see how they work on the trails.
That's how they look from the inside of the side-by-side. And
Shit, that is nice.
they look really nice, man. See the old man back there?
That looks about good for me right there.
Yeah, adjust them how you like them, buddy.
Shit, I can see clear as day. All right, let's go for a ride. Let's fold them in, buddy.
Yeah, looking a little narrow, buddy.
See, that's nice to have, dude, ain't it?
Beautiful. Yeah.
Look, no damage to the mirrors.
No damage at all.
This is one of our tighter trails, so it's definitely nice to have. And boom, when you're out,
You're out, hold them back out.
boom. All right, guys, that'll probably do it for this video. As you can see, we love them. We can adjust it any way we want. We'll probably tighten it up once we find the right setting, just for a little bit if we're just cruising on the road and stuff. But huge shout out to Kemimoto for sending these out and having us put this on my RZR 900. Kemimoto website will be linked down below. Check them out, and hopefully we get some more stuff from them.
And these guys, they just don't have side-by stuff either. They got stuff for your dirt bikes, your four-wheelers, even your
All
boats.
kinds of aftermarket stuff, guys. So be sure to check them out, and we'll see you in the next.
See you in the next video, boys.